Welcome back. So in this video I just want to demonstrate how to add data, how to enter data, and then how to use the field handle. Of course we have to be able to validate data. I'll do that one after demonstrating the field handle, not in this video. This video is just concerned about how to enter data and how to use the field handle for quick data entry. So it is best practice if you want to enter data to leave at least the first three rows. So I will not put anything here, I will not put anything here, I will not put anything here. This is useful because in future you may want to add some maybe other information, you want to convert it to a printable text, you may want to format it anyway. So there should be a place for heading. That's why I'm leaving the first two data. So I want to enter data. Now it's good to have header. And I have two ways of doing that one. I can come to this and click this and come to this place and change the name. I can change the name to maybe age, for instance. Now if I say age and enter, now it means this column has been named age. If I come here, you can see it's showing B, but here it's showing age. Okay, so it's showing age. That is one way to name it, but I don't want that one, so I'm doing it because it will still show A on top, B on top. It's only when you click you know it's age. Another way is to come to, since I said we should leave the first three rows, come to this age and name this piece age. Then I press tab to name the next column. Then let me call this one sex. Then the next, let me call this one maybe height. So I've created three columns, three variables, age, sex, height. Then I can click enter. With enter, it goes to the next available cell towards your left. So age, let me say this one is 13, it's 13. Tab, let's say the sex is male. Then let's say the height is 1.53. Then enter. Let me say the age is 22. Let's say the sex is female. So I have some data here, and that is how to just enter data. Very, very easy to enter data. But take note, this number, if you look at column age and column height, you can see everything is to the left, aligned to the left of this line. It is our line like this, then this number are very close to it. So if you look at this sex, this is aligned to the right. So text are aligned to the right, while numbers are aligned to the left. Another thing, if I click this number 13 and I look at this place, it's saying it's general. Under this number, it's general format. If I click this mail and I comment, it's still general format. Now, if I click this, it's still general format, but I can change it. Now, we'll get to that. But a good place to watch out for is this number. To be able, is this number tab, this general thing, to be able to know what this is and what is not. So that is all about entry, data entry. Then the next I'm going to talk about will be the field handle. So we want to use this to demonstrate the field handle. This is an help desk roster, and we have people that are working. So the branch is the same, is the Sydney branch. This is the record ID for each individual, and then for each record entered, we have the date, the day, the hours, the shift number, the cumulative hours, and things like that. So we want to make information for 7 days, Monday to Saturday, and Monday to Sunday. We work every day. So to use the field handle, I'll this box that I've highlighted, I'll come to the edge until this my cursor changes to this solid cross or solid T, whatever. I mean, solid cross with dark fill. So it is black fill like this. Notice it can change to like this, it can change to like this, and it can change to like this. Take note, it's changing to this cross with white fill. It's changing to this cross without any fill, and it's taking this cross with the dark fill. So when it has changed to this course with that field, you hold it down. Hold your cursor down and drag it down. Okay. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 like this. So if we copy that thing down, but it is fill handle, so it is filling it, and it is intelligent filling. Now, but you will not see that intelligent filling. Then I want to do the next one. Now I can drag it like this. It has changed to that, so I can drag it down like this. That is one way to do it. Or I can just come to the edge like this and double click. Since it already knows that the first one stops here, so you fill it up to the end of the first one. It's very important to first fill the first one up to where you want it to head, and before you can use that double click. Now take note, this record ID, it was 1 before. Then when I double click, it makes it 1002, 1003, 1002. Because it saw this one as the first, when it sees letter and number together, it automatically increments the number there. So it's very easy to flash. Instead of just typing R102, R1003, R1004, it has done that one intelligently. The next thing for this date, I can go there and double click, and you can see it did something. It is May. It has changed the date to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, to make it more practical, let me change this date. To change this date, I can type what I want here, or I can come to this formula bar and click it, or I can double click it. So here I want the date to be, today is 30, today will be 22. So 22, going to be 22. Of course, I'll start with the month 03/22/2021. So I enter like that. Then I can flash fill it, double click, and you can see. So it has filled it 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now for that Monday, I'll do that one too. Click it. It will give me Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it's very, very fast. Then for the hour, now I must watch it. I can double click. And you can see that when you implemented this, when it sees number, it will not increment. But if you want it to increment it, then just come down here and click on this. It will give you option. You want to fill series, if you say fill series, you can fill it. Fill format, to leave it only formatting, fill without formatting. If you want it to increment the number, you say fill series, but it only copies now. Shift number does not increase from one shift to another, just take it as. So the shift number, so we are going to increment it because it's a record. So we don't want to 1 1, so we come here and say fixed series. I can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the shift number. Then the cumulative hour. Now this cumulative hour, it needs to hide it up. That's why we can feed first. So when you want something to be cumulative, you feed the first and the second. So I've done that one. So I will highlight these two. Then I'll come to this end and double click. And you can see it has added 888. So what it has done is just say add 8 to this, add 8 to this, add 8 to this. But if I did first fill the first two, it will not know what to do. Then by that time, I'll have to do the field series. Okay. Now in this name, I want to feed that same name here too. Okay. So I'll double click, I'll click this like this, and then I'll click down. I can see it has filled the first two. It's only 7. Now the same thing here, I'll do it there, then I'll fill it. You can see everything is cool. Now this last thing, if you are not using Word, or if you are not using version that is up to 2010, you will not be able to do this. But here, it has been able to know this, so it will automatically put the name. I'll use what we call flash fill. So if I come here and double click, of course it's clicking the old thing, but I'll come here like this. So that I can see it will maybe all these names you want. I can just click this and I choose flash fill. So with flash fill, you can see things not to Sandra Moore, by just using and something. So if you have your company like that, that's how you can just generate custom email for them. Flash fill is only in 2010 version upward. If you have 2007, you cannot use flash fill, so you have to use your hand to type it. So that is all about flash fill. It makes our work very, very easy. I hope you will try it. Thank you.